All right, this is Cochise Fpv back with part 2 of the installation of obstacle number 4 for the Q.T.G. Boy, that's a mouthful, huh? But anyways, I'm just finishing up these gates. As I had mentioned before, I abandoned, my idea of doing a 3-tier gate. So I'm just doing 3 separate 24, 30, 36-inch gates. I'm just putting the water noodles on there. Once that's done, I'll load those up and then I'll go and get the wheel of pain, throw that on there, go on out to the field and start digging my holes. It's a beautiful day. I'm getting started early, so it's not hot yet. So I'm trying to beat the heat so I'm not pouring sweat out. See you out in the field. All right, let's get the wheel of pain loaded up so we can get it out to where it's going to be installed in the Q.T.G. Place to stick the wheel when I'm out there so it's not on the ground getting dirty. All right. All right, so I'm thinking right in this area here. Well, I'm gonna have to go get some spray on. The skeeters are hungry this morning. All right, got my holes dug. Got the first hole just set in there with the wheel attached. And now I'm getting the base pole outfitted with the bracket to hold the wheel on. Yep. Oh, I had this thing sitting just fine. Then I had to go and mess with it. All right, stay, boy. All right. Yeah. I need to go get a tape measure. All right, so what I've done is pre-attach the wheel to the long post, and I'm hoping to be able to stand it up in the hole, huh? We shall see. Since I'm on this incline, it will greatly help me. That's for sure. But I don't know if I'm going to have enough height. Come on, baby, drop in the hole. All right. We'll have to make those adjustments after we get her in position. All right, I can see that I've got to go down with my other post. So start digging a little more of the hole out. Hopefully this will just stay here. Or I could just go cut it off, huh? Might be easier to cut it off than digging more in that freaking clay. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But hey, it's sort of up there. Well, I got the wheel. Well, I got the wheel of pain up. Now I'm just gonna pad the lower poles. I'm not gonna pad the wheel. Remember, it's gonna be the wheel of pain. It already has been the wheel of pain because I hit my freaking noggin on the thing when I was setting these posts. Let me tell you, it's solid. It's a good thing I got a fucking harder head than any carbon frame. But anyways, I just got to tamper down my dirt around my poles some more, get her really secured up. Got my bolt on there, I pinched her, so there's no way that's raising up out of there, no matter what the wind decides to do. And then I still gotta tighten those bolts down more and then cut off the excess so I'm not hitting that stuff. So next image will be the finished product. Well, there we go, guys. The wheel of pain is finished. Obstacle number 4 of the Q.T.G. So I padded the posts, but I left the wheel, you know, to let the pain be what the pain is. So I just ended up using a 30-inch gate and a 24-inch gate. And then of course you got the gap underneath the wheel. That's kind of neat too. And then of course all of the pieces of the pie up there. That'll be fun as hell to do tricks and fly through. Hopefully without completely destroying my rigs. We'll see. All right, guys, until the next one, this is Cochise Fpv. Take care.